In this video, I'm going to be taking a real quick look at how you can integrate Google's Gemini with N8N. We're going to look at how you create an API key and then how you set up your Google credential inside of N8N. By integrating Google's Gemini in N8N, you can leverage all of these different Gemini nodes here. So we can analyze audio, transcribe a recording, analyze a document, upload a file, analyze an image, generate an image, edit an image. You can send a message to a model. You can also analyze video, generate video, and download video. It's really powerful. I use it in quite a lot of automations. I'm going to be using it more and more going forward as well. I'll record a quick video. If you see any of the AI systems tutorials, you can understand how I've set that up. The first thing we need to do is head over to Google. Instead of the normal Google search, we're going to go to aistudio.google.com. I can leave a link to that in the description. And then take a look down on the left here, click Create an API Key up in the top right hand corner. Give your API key a name and then select a cloud project. Create a new one if you haven't, and then click Create an API Key. Once we've done that, just head back into N8N. We'll copy and paste that. And then if we open up any of these Google Gemini nodes, sorry, what I mentioned, if you want to find any of those, you can just, in the search bar, search for Google Gemini. Here they all are. Any of these that you pull onto the workflow, at the top where it says Credential to connect with, click Create New Credential. All you need to do is pop your API key in there, click Save. Hopefully then you'll get a green banner to say that's been successful and you're connected. And that's it. Once you've done that, good to go. That's it for this one. Don't forget, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Appreciate your support with the channel. Till next time.